How to cancel your Mindgrasp AI subscription. So just go ahead and log into your account, of course, that has the subscription you want to cancel, and go to your profile, which is found in the bottom left corner over here. Once you press on that, you will see this settings section. Press on your settings and go inside your billing. Then in your billing, go ahead down here to the manage subscription. Once you press on manage subscription, you'll be led to another tab. You're gonna have to press on manage your subscription around 3 times. So this is the second time, and the third time will be right now. So press on manage subscription. So this is basically like confirmation if you really want to do this. If you want to see cancellation and refund policy, press on this, of course. But you can just go ahead and proceed to cancel over here. So press on that. Once you press on proceed to cancel, it will load a little bit. So just go ahead and wait for that. And if you cancel your subscription, you'll be able to see these stuff. If you want to go ahead and confirm, just press on this one that says you don't want to have premium benefits. So I don't know why they put it like that instead of just a cancel button, but just go ahead and press on that. After you do that, you will get another confirmation apparently. So a warning that will delete your class materials. And if it is important for you, of course, you gotta make sure it's not. But if you really want to cancel, press on this. I understand that you will lose all your class materials and you wish to continue the subscription cancellation process. So wow, you go ahead and press on or continue over here. Press on or continue. It's gonna load again. It's gonna give you lots of confirmations for some reasons. So blah, blah, blah. So press on this if you wanna go ahead and cancel. But if you wanna read this, sure, whatever. Wow. So apparently there's a cancellation form as well. You're gonna have to fill this up and then submit it. So once you finish filling up your form, just go ahead and press on the submit button here in the green button that says submit. It will say this thing, thank you to cancel your subscription, email support@mindgrasp.ai. So just go ahead and do that apparently if you want to. So this should cancel your subscription. So go to your Gmail, use the email or the Gmail that you use to make the form and your account, or both, or either, I suppose. Paste in the email and then put in the so it should be this one, subject heading, cancel subscription. So like so, copy that, then just paste it over here. Then just go ahead and press on send. But make sure you do all that apparently in order to cancel your subscription in Mindgrasp AI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.